The internet is full of surprises. I found out about this money-making method that's so easy and simple. You should be able to do it too. In this video, I show you how to earn $1.50 per click just by watching ads, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it, we're about to find out. This is earn $1.50 per click on ads. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to scarletclicks.info. There are 3 steps to follow here. It's really simple. First, it's to click the ads and get paid real time. Next is earn money by clicking ads and completing offers. And third is cash out. You can cash out via Skrill, Neteller, Payer, and even through cryptocurrency. Plus, you have a minimum cash out of just $2. Once you go on the website, click on register on the upper right corner. All you need to do is put in the details that they need from you. Make sure that they are accurate as well. And right below that is your payment details. So depending on what you prefer or how you prefer to cash out, just typing your account on any of the boxes. There's also a CAPTCH that you need to fill in, and then click on the box that says you're ready and you agree to their terms and service. Once you've already logged in and you're in the dashboard, here's what you will see. You can see how long you've been a member and what type of membership you have, as well as the balance you have in this account. It basically has all your statistics. Now I want you to click on View Ads. You will then see fixed advertisements. You'll also see a couple of websites that you can click on. And on these websites, you can view ads in order to get paid. You can actually see how much you'll be earning for each ad that you view right at the bottom of each website name. Now you won't just automatically get paid. You have to stay and watch the ad for at least 20 seconds. And then there's actually some sort of progress bar right at the top. And when it's filled up, you need to click on the image that they want you to click on. Once you're done, you can just close it and select another website, and then repeat the same process. There's also another way to earn money on this website. There's more than one, and now I'll show you how to do it. This one works like a game on the dashboard. Click on Earn More, and then once the drop-down box appears, click on Scarlet Grid. And as you can see here, it's an image with grid lines. And all you need to do here is just click any of the boxes within the grid lines, and then you'll be brought to a random website. All you need to do is wait for a couple of seconds again, and once the progress bar on the top fills up, it will then inform you that you have one additional cash. But if not, it will tell you that you still have a couple of chances to do it again. But keep in mind, though, that they only have limited chances per day. And if you do not win any cash on the current day, then you'll have to return in the next day or later. But don't worry, you might not win, but you will still get paid the minimum amount since you just read an ad. Oh, and by the way, if you're learning a lot from this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, if you're still skeptical about all of these, they actually have a forum that you can go to so that you can see other users posting the payment that they received from this website. You can go and check it out and see how much they've earned and how they did it anyway. Going back to the grid on Scarlet Clicks, you already know that when you click on any of the boxes within the grid, you will be brought to any website so that you can view their ads. Now, what are these boxes that might bring you to a website called Paverts.com? This website is another PTC or paid-to-click website, and it works just like Scarlet Clicks. And this is actually good because you can use both websites at the same time so that you can double the money that you earn. Isn't that great? Imagine just clicking all the way and all day without doing any hard work. And you can keep earning money just by doing that. So don't forget that you can repeat this process over and over again. And there's no limit, of course, except for the grid, which only gives you a couple of chances. And since you have 2 websites, you should be earning a really good amount of money in no time. So there you go, a really easy, simple, and fast way to earn money online. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here.